So you're looking for how to get orders on Fiverr or how to get clients on Fiverr for your gigs or freelance services. Maybe you are a beginner on Fiverr or you have been on Fiverr for a while and you just can't seem to get that first order. I'll show you a secret to get your first couple of Fiverr orders in this video. It will not matter if you are in Nigeria, you are in Pakistan, you are in India or the United States or just anywhere. This legit secret is a guarantee and it will work for you. Honestly, I only share this secret to my in-house community and clients. I made this discovery myself and I can boldly say that I have never had anyone mention it on YouTube. But I published a freelance tutorial on YouTube a few days ago, and for the first time on YouTube, I actually mentioned this secret that we get Fiverr sellers their first couple of orders on Fiverr. This secret is guaranteed to work, and since I already let the cat out of the bag in that video, I feel I should just record another very short video for you guys who are already on Fiverr but struggling to get that first anticipated order. That video is currently displayed on your screen just if you want to check it out after seeing this one. So I promise to make this video very short. Let me fulfill my promise. So before I tell you this secret to getting your first couple of Fiverr order, let me quickly discuss the main reason why new Fiverr sellers always find it difficult to get Fiverr order. Let me mention that I want to assume that you got every other thing, such as your profile setting, your graphics, your service pitch, all right. If your account is not well set up, then you should quickly go ahead and fix that and then apply the secret I am about to share with you. But let me quickly ask you, what effort have you tried to get orders on Fiverr since you opened your Fiverr account? Let me know if they work or they didn't work in the comment section. So, among most other reasons, the biggest reason why you always find it difficult to get your first order on Fiverr is not really because the market is saturated or that people are no longer looking for freelancers to patronize on Fiverr. No way. If that was it, you will not be seeing some of your competitors having as much as 200, 300, 500 orders in queue waiting for them. But the biggest reason why you're not getting order is because of trust issues. Look, we're all guilty of this. Nobody wants to patronize you if you're just a new guy on the block. They check up on your profile and notice that nobody has ever patronized you before. And then nobody wants to be the first to do so. So they rather go for someone who has gotten orders already in the past and have an history, even if it's just a couple of orders. In fact, many buyers are looking for freelancers who don't have so many orders because the assumption is that your service as a relatively new Fiverr seller will be cheaper and you will want to do your best to give them excellent service so that you can tie them down as repeat customers. That makes sense, right? But not just only that, they also want to check up on your existing reviews. So if they say that most of your reviews are 5-star, then you technically have a better chance to getting their patronage even above the already big Fiverr sellers in your service niche. So the question is, how do you now get that your first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 customers? Because once you get your first 4, 5, 6 customers, then more orders begin to come in. It's almost automatic. So this is what I want you to do. Look for between $20 to $50. If you can get more, great. But really, you want to make sure that you have at least $20. Now, split your $20 into 4 places, which will be $5 each. Then go to your Fiverr gig and set up a basic price for your service at $5. Don't worry, you will change the price later if need be. If your product is the more expensive ones, then you will need to get more than $20, and then just make sure that the basic price is set at the lowest possible price. Then the next thing I want you to do is to look for 4 different persons, maybe your friends, your family, your colleagues, or whoever, preferably from different locations. I mean different countries. It's not compulsory though. You can also use contact from the same country if you can get from different countries. Now, what you will do is to distribute these $5 to each of these persons and ask them to go to Fiverr to make an order from you. Ask them to make sure that they give you a 5-star rating when you complete their order. Now, the bulk of this $20 will still be coming back to you except for the little commission that Fiverr would have deducted from the payments. Remember, these guys don't have to need this service. You're just using them as a bait to get other people to patronize you. So go ahead and get these guys to order from you and watch what begins to happen once their order has been registered on your account profile on Fiverr. I bet you that organic buyers will begin to see them and begin to get comfortable to make orders from you. Try it and see. And then to even get a faster result, you can also use these 5-star reviews as testimonials on your social media or your website as proof. And this is how more buyers will begin to make orders from you. Tell me what you think about this strategy in the comment section. Tell me if you will love to give it a try. I would like to know. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to see more Fiverr tips and make money online videos like this one. Please don't leave without giving this video a like. You will be encouraging my channel to grow if you do so. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.